In this video, I want to show you how to open the hood of your Ford Escape. So let's go inside in the driver's footwell, and right over there you're gonna find the latch. Right over here, you need to pull it completely, and you can even do it twice to make sure. Go over here and you're gonna notice there's a notch on the grill. You see there's a notch right here. It's on the right side of the logo. You're gonna slide your fingers inside. You're gonna find that there's something, a latch, and you're gonna simply push it towards the left side. I'll show you once I open the hood how it looks. Okay, I push towards the left, and at the same time I pull up the hood. So this is how the latch looks. By gliding your fingers, you're able to push it towards the left and then pull up the hood. The prop rod, you're gonna take it and you're gonna put it right over here.